It didn't start as a project. It started as a question. What happens when a machine must choose its path and avoid obstacles? To make that, I have chosen some simple components. Arduino Uno, motor driver, geared motors, and a Bluetooth module, which I didn't find. Nothing ever goes smoothly. So I thought, why not to use the Arduino Uno R for Wi-Fi, which has the Bluetooth. Also I thought, it was barely. Should I use D1 Mini? No, it is slow. Should I use Pico W? No, I don't know the proper code. ESP32 does all of this right, and just use Wi-Fi. It's better range. Okay, now let's choose my new components. As all of the components gathered, it's time for the assembly. All is left is attaching the wheels. Alright, it's time for the real test. Open the Wi-Fi setting on your smartphone. You will find the car's network. Connect to it. Open the web browser and go to 192.168.4.1. The control menu will appear. And now you can control the car. Move it in any direction. And for main obstacle avoidance mode, click on the mode button and the show starts. If you like this video, I don't know what to do. Bye.